This is LanguageCert Achiever B1 International ESOL Speaking Language Cert Spoken Exam. I'm your interlocutor. My name's Angelina. What's your name?
My name is Nadia Abdul Razak.
Can you spell it for me?
Yes, of course. My first name is Nadiabdul, Nadia Abdul, and my second name is Razak, that is Razaq. Razak.
Thank you. Where are you from?
I am from Lahore, Pakistan.
And how long it's been you have lived there?
I am here from last 2 years.
Thank you. Now, part one, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. Friends. Let's talk about friends.
Okay, ma'am.
How often do you go out with friends?
Once in a month, approximately once in a month, I go out with my friends and enjoy our time and enjoy my time with them. I also enjoy different type of foods with my friends, and we enjoy the view of different parks, and we also visit different kind of places.
All right. Where did you meet some of the friends you have now?
Uh, uh, Adiba, the only friend with me is now is Adiba. She live in Prukabad, and when we go Shahpura, there. I meet her there in her house.
Uh, and how do you keep in contact with friends when you are in different places?
I have their mobile numbers and I have their WhatsApp contacts. So I keep in touch with them by my phone and their numbers.
Why are friends so important to people?
Because something you can don't do with your family and you do with your friends. That's why uh, something like you cannot enjoy something with your family. Now you can speak easily with that. You can speak easily with your friend. You share some of your feelings with your friend, so that friends are important. The good friends give you advice in any situation, and also he give you a good company. So that friends are important for people.
All right. Do you think friends change with time?
Yes, I am agree this statement because sometime it's happen. Uh, uh, it's depend on a situation when you are in trouble. Maybe your friend is lucky for you, and he will change your situation and change the time which are you passing through. If you're passing through trouble, maybe your friend is luckiest for you and he will help you to come out of this.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now we're going to move to part two. We're going to role play some situations. I want you to start or respond. First situation. We're friends. I start.
Okay.
I'm training for a race. Do you want to join me?
Yes, of course.
Let's go then.
I Okay.
How would you like
What
to
type?
go with me?
Uh, how would you like to go with me? Because I want to know about your training. What type of training do you going to do, so that I am interested in your things, so that
Okay, so would you be coming with me on
yes, of
my
course.
car, or would you be taking your own vehicle? How would you like
Uh,
to go with me?
I like to go with you by your car, so that it is quite comfortable for me. And if you are have no problem with this, is it okay?
Oh, yes, of course. I really do not have a problem with it.
What do you do there?
I am definitely going to just race there and have a good time because you know that I'm very fond of racing.
You are also participant in the race.
Yeah, I will. So now, next situation. I am a stranger in your town and I start. Excuse me, do you know of a good place to eat near here?
Yes, there are many places, but I suggest you that one. This from left hand side. Go walk for 20 minutes, and you found that. Its name is Dhaka Hotel.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Now, the second situation. I work at a library and you want some help. You start.
Uh, uh, can I help you to find a library? Let's come with me.
Mm,
Uh,
uh, yeah, of course, I can help you. Um, you are at the library. So how may I help you? What kinds of books do you want to find?
oh, I found the storybooks because I am very confused there. There are lots of books I can't find. Can you help me in this situation?
Sure, sure. Just go in the second aisle and you will find lots and lots of English storybooks there.
Oh, can you come with me for a second? I'm
Yes,
very thankful to
certainly,
you.
certainly. This way.
Thank you
Thank
so much.
you. Thank you. Okay, next situation. We are neighbors, and you want me to look after some things while you're away. You start.
Okay. Hi dear. I'm going to my countryside, visit my countryside, and there is my car in my garage. Can you look after my car?
Certainly I will, as you know that I'm gonna stay home and I have empty parking in my garage, so definitely I will accommodate yours. That's not an issue. When are you
Okay,
gonna
thank you so
when are you
much.
gonna get back? When will you come back?
I will come back after 3 days, and I will give you the key of car, and you move. If you want to move here and there, you can. Okay. And thank you so much for this favor.
Thank you. Thank you. This is the end of part two. Now it is time for part three. Now, this is part three. We are going to discuss something together. We are planning to enter a competition called Around the World. And the first prize is a
Okay.
trip around the world using any one type of transport. We need to decide together which would be the best type of transport for the trip and give our reasons. Let's ask and answer questions to help us make some decisions. I'll start. Well, I'm really excited to travel by a cruise. What do you suggest?
Oh, uh, to be honest, I don't have experience to travel by a cruise. Yes, it is okay for me, and I will enjoy if I go with the cruise with you. And I also thinking by a train because I have no travel by train. I have no journey. This
Don't you
type of
think traveling around the world By train, don't you think so? It's too awkward. I think the fun part would be traveling by the ocean. What do you say?
Yeah, you're right, but I want to experience this, and I also want to experience the plane because these these few transports have never before. I had never before sit in there, so that
All
yes, you
right,
are
so
right.
I think the best transport would be an airplane because we won't be tired then and we will keep on exploring the world. And I think it would give us more time to see the things in different countries. I think so.
Yes, I am agree with you. I'm really
Uh,
appreciate
yeah,
with
that's right. That is correct. Okay, all right, then we are going to finalize the transport. We are going to travel by plane. Is that right?
yes,
So what if we have to take a car? Can you imagine how terrible that would be?
yes, you are right. But
It must be very
I
tiring. Yeah, of course. Well, thank you so much. This is the end of part 3. Last part of the test. Part 4. In part 4, you are going to talk about something for 1.5 minutes. Are you ready? Please talk about the clothes you like wearing. And you have 30 seconds to write some notes if you wish.
okay.
Your time begins now. Please talk for 90 seconds about the clothes you like wearing. Please talk.
Okay. I like to wear simple dresses like shalwar and kameez, and I also like to wear frocks. In different occasions, I love to wear long frocks, and when I go outside, I am comfortable with the gown and a scarf. I feel comfortable with these three dresses are my favorite, and my sister stitched for me the dresses at home. Sometime I buy from my favorite shopping mall. Is there in Lahore? That is in the. Sometime I buy the clothes in the market from Liberty Market and other clothes shops market. Uh, I buy unstitched clothes and like to stitch at home. Uh, because if I stitch my favorite clothes at home, I am feel comfortable with them, and the size of the clothes exact for me. So that shalwar kameez is my favorite because it's also my national dress. So that, and also I feel comfortable. I feel so easy in this dress, and frocks are I like frocks because it is my religious dress, so that because it's covered more area of your body, so
Thank
that
you. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to ask you some follow-up questions. The clothes you like wearing, are there any clothes you don't like wearing?
oh yes, there are many clothes that I don't like to wearing, like jeans, shirts, tops, and skirts.
How important is the latest fashion to you?
No, I am not interested in fashionable things because this is modern era. I know this is modern era, but I am not interested in fashionable clothes because my family likes simple, so I love to wear simple.
Do you enjoy shopping for clothes?
Yes, I really love to shopping. Every woman like to shopping. Every woman likes shopping. When I go with my husband, I like to buy some dresses, which I like to buy dresses by myself.
Right? Did you have any favorite clothes when you were younger?
When I am younger, my favorite clothes are I am talk about when I am 19 years old or 18-year-olds. In that time, I like to wear short frocks with the trouser.
Thank you so much. This is the end of the test, and you have passed.